Hey baking babes, welcome back to my channel. It's another Sweet Treat Saturdays where I share my organic, all natural, and healthy dessert ideas with you. Today we're going to be making my keto organic blueberry cinnamon mug cakes. These are probably my favorite mug cakes to date. They're flavorful and low carb. For my step-by-step recipe, you can always click the link in the description box. That'll take you directly to my blog post with the printable recipe and added information on this sweet treat. It'll be linked in that blog post. So with any mug cake, the whole premise is they can be made in under 5 minutes in the microwave, but if you will be baking, now would be the time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or just go ahead and get started mixing. We're gonna start by combining 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a dash of salt. Go ahead and whisk that together, and this is going to be, of course, your dry ingredients. After we've done that, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of blueberries. Now I went a little bit over 1/4 cup because I really like them, but you want to put as much as your heart desires. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to add in our melted coconut oil. This should be about 2 tablespoons of that. Then 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 2 eggs, of course cage-free and organic. We're going to add in our low-carb sweetener and our extracts. Now I used lemon, of course, and vanilla, but the key here is cinnamon extract. It just adds that extra boost on top of the ground cinnamon that we're going to add later. So whisk this all together and then add in your ground cinnamon. Now you can do up to a teaspoon because it does have extract, which is very concentrated, but you still of course want that fresh cinnamon flavor as well. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients and mix this all together to make our batter for our mug cakes. And don't forget, never forget, you always want to scrape the sides of the bowl so everything is fully incorporated and mixed. Now it's time to fill in your greased ramekins. I have the mini ones that are perfect for mug cakes and single serving dishes. If you want more details on the ramekins that I use, they are linked in my blog post as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. You want to add your batter in as evenly as possible, and then what I like to do is add just a couple more blueberries right on top for presentation. The last step, of course, is to cook or bake your mug cakes. So as I said in the beginning of this video, you can always pop them right in the microwave for about 2 minutes and they'll be just as good. But of course, we're baking babes here and I'm the baking beauty. So I'm gonna put them in my oven for about 12.5 minutes, but it can range anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. Then once it's all done, you have these organic keto, aka low carb, blueberry cinnamon mug cakes. They are flavorful and perfectly sweetened, but they lack all sugar and you can basically binge eat them because of course that's what I like to do. This cake comes out to be light and fluffy and has lots of moisture without being too gummy, which you can see in a lot of keto recipes. So it's the perfect balance. If you guys like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think. And of course, the whole premise is to try the recipe and let me know what you guys think. Feel free to send me an email at info@SymoneAli with photo submissions of your creations, and I would love to share them on my channel. Lastly, definitely subscribe to the channel so you can become a baking babe, and also share this video so you can share the creation with others. Thank you guys once again for watching. I can't wait to bake with you guys in my next video. Bye!